familiar with me, my name is Taylor Simone, and for today's video I actually do have a treat for you guys, so stay tuned until the end to get that treat. But this is a first impressions video, and I am going to be reviewing Amyla Cosmetics hair care serum. So this is actually Amyla's Cosmetics hair care serum. So Amyla Cosmetics is a hair care brand. They're designed to help women who have natural hair have longer hair. So if that's something that you are interested in, keep watching this video. So I've actually been using this hair care serum for about 1 month. So this is not a traditional first impressions video because I have been using this product for about 1 month. But I wanted to actually use it for a couple of weeks just so I can actually have a better gist and give you guys a better review, because if I'm just using it for the first time in a video, what kind of review can I give on the hair growth? So I'm going to actually insert a before clip of my hair before I started using the serum, and then I will insert a clip of my hair length after. These are just two different lip drinks. Now, when I was using this product, I did have a protective style in, kind of similar to this one, just braids. So I was just putting the oil in between the braids on my scalp, and I would massage it for 1 to 3 minutes, exactly like the instructions tell you to. Now, one thing that I absolutely love about this serum is it is very moisturizing to the scalp, and it is extremely soothing. So if you're someone who has a problem with dry, itchy scalp, this is something that I would recommend. It's definitely helpful for that. Now, the oil itself, it does feel a little bit on the thicker side, but I just think that's because it's pretty much a mixture of every single oil that a natural hair girl pretty much needs. It actually has coconut, carrot, argan, macadamia nut, jojoba, tea tree, almond oil, as well as vitamin E, organic peppermint, and biotin. So pretty much all those oils, everything, all that combined is pretty much why it feels so thick. But I also think that's why it feels so soothing when you do put it on your scalp. This serum is basically the superfoods of hair serum for hair growth. Actually want you guys all to try, which is why I'm giving you guys a discount code. Everything's going to be linked inside of the description for 20% off of everything off of Amyla Cosmetics website, including this serum right here that I really do want you guys to try. You know, get your nice, beautiful, long, natural hair. But just like any other first impression video, I do have to rate this product. So my overall rating for this serum, I am going to have to give it an 8.9, maybe even a 9. That is pretty high. I don't normally rate things that high on my channel. I don't believe there's a 10, but I'm rating this a 9 just because, as I said, when you put it on your scalp, it is so soothing. It feels so good. I sometimes struggle with itchiness in my scalp, and when I put it on there, it's just like it's heaven, especially when you massage it in. So that's why I'm going to rate this serum a 9. That pretty much concludes this product review. Again, everything's going to be linked down in the description, and when you guys actually do try this product, I would love it if you guys came back and just commented down below in the comment section. We can have a whole conversation about it, like how your experience was with it. Did it help with any of, you know, if you have scalp issues, or did you just notice overall growth? I would love to hear it, and I will see you guys on next video.